Vizio TV shows no signal. Fix HDMI and input source issues. Are you staring at a blank screen and feeling frustrated? You just want to relax and watch your favorite show, but your TV is not cooperating. It is stressful when tech fails. Do not worry. You can fix this issue yourself at home right now after watching this video. It is simpler than you think. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more helpful guides. If you face any difficulty, leave a comment. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. The most common reason for no signal is the wrong input source. Grab your remote and find the input button. Press the input button repeatedly to cycle through the options. Ensure you select the port where your device is plugged in. If you do not have a remote, use the physical buttons on the side or back of your TV to change the source. Next, let us check your HDMI cables. A loose or damaged cable is a very frequent culprit. Unplug the cable from both the TV and your device. Blow gently to remove dust, then plug it back in firmly. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. Ports can sometimes fail while the rest of the TV works fine. If that did not work, it is time for a power cycle. This is a soft reset that clears out temporary glitches. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall power outlet completely. Do not just use the remote. Find the physical power button on the TV. Press and hold it down for a full 60 seconds. Now, plug the power cord back in and turn the TV on. This often restores the signal instantly. Sometimes the issue is not the TV, but the device you are trying to watch. Let us check your cable box or console. Ensure your external device is powered on. If the light is blinking, try restarting that device as well. To be sure, try connecting your device to another TV. If it works there, we know the problem is with the Vizio. If you can see the TV menus but no picture from your device, try a system restart through the settings. On your remote, press menu. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Confirm the restart and wait for the TV to reboot. This refreshes the internal HDMI handshake. As a last resort, we can try a factory reset. Note that this will erase all your personal settings. Press Menu on your remote. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset and Admin. Select Reset to Factory Settings. If prompted for a code, try 0000, then confirm. Your Vizio TV should now be back up and running with a crystal clear signal. You did a great job fixing it. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your favorite shows, and I will see you in the next one.